right in front of my face, and I just cannot hide it.
What's cooking? So it's cooking good looking. We are cooking classy with Pearly today.
Yeah, we are.
This is our main entree, which is going to be dinner. We have a raw pad thai pasta. So we have all of our ingredients here and prepped. Our kelp noodles that have already been rinsed and drained. Some cabbage, pea sprouts, broccoli, radish, red peppers, carrots, and tomatoes. All right, so I'm going to show you a little trick with prepping your kelp. You can add a little bit of lemon juice, 1/3. We're just going to sit this. You can also add some baking powder. The lemon juice is going to give it a little bit of flavor. These are really long, so you just kind of want to like cut it a little bit so that they mix well in with the vegetables that we have. We're just going to set that aside for like a couple minutes, then we'll drain and rinse that. And for our pad thai sauce, we sauce them like a boss.
Okay.
This is actually a very fast recipe. You're going to be impressed. Gucci? All right, so we're going to start with our sauce first. 4 tablespoons of almond butter.
For RAWgust, it's all about the Vitamix. Ninja blender is good too.
Not as good as
Ninja,
Vitamix.
we also love you.
We do. Love you. I was about to talk shit. So obviously you want to kind of like stir your almond butter so you're not just having oil. Everything I got here today was from Whole Foods. Next is going to be 1 tablespoon of sriracha.
I'm gonna eyeball it.
Okay. Do you, boo-boo?
How much is syrup?
2 tablespoons.
Amino liquids, 1/3 cup. You Gucci, you got it.
1, 2, 3.
2 tablespoons of lime juice.
It's lemon, it's okay?
Yep. 1 tablespoon of ginger. 2 cloves, minced. 1/4 tablespoon of onion powder. Go ahead and shake, baby. That's good. A little
I
hand.
guess you can use your real tablespoon.
We got this.
What is this?
The
4?
same. 1/8 tablespoon of black pepper. Gucci. Cayenne, the same.
1/8 tablespoon.
Yep.
That's good.
Kosher salt, the same.
Look at us. Come on, RAWgust.
Bring it up. Bring it up, baby. There we go. Yeah, just go ahead and pinch that in there. Boop. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. That's good.
2 tablespoons, you said.
Right. Right. He's like 1. And then 1/3 cup of vegetable broth. You want some red pepper flakes?
1/3.
Actually, put a little more. Half a
1/3.
cup. 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. I do like it spicy or whatever. We are Gucci. So,
This already smells good. We haven't even blended it.
guess what we're about to do?
Blend dance. Are you gonna tell me that after you pour, that's it?
Y'all can stop me now. Listen to me now. I'm lasting 20 rounds. And if you want me,
Oh.
feeling myself.
Wow.
I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself.
So guys, we're going to place all of these ingredients in a bowl. All right, Fifi. You ready to do this, B?
Pasta?
Negative.
Whoa.
Cabbage. We're only doing half of this cabbage, maybe like a little cup and a half. We've put our tomatoes in, our carrots,
Okay.
our peppers. Oh, look how colorful and pretty.
Beautiful.
Our sprouts. I'm gonna do a little bit of the broccoli too, not all of it. Then we're gonna top it off with our kelp noodles here. Are you guys ready for the sauce? You wanna taste it?
Yes.
I had to double dip
Girl.
on it. It tastes cheesy. It has that nice little spice. It got a kick to it.
You guys can't wait.
Y'all ready to get saucing? You know, it's about the consistency. It's about the texture. I will be excited to eat this when I am raw in RAWgust and I worked all day and I'm like, dude, I want something to eat. What am I gonna have? Oh yeah, I prepped pad thai for the week. So we're just gonna get in there and we're gonna stir this
vegan
around.
Look like it should be the norm.
It is the norm.
It should be. Not for real. Like people look at vegan people like you guys are weird.
I know,
You know,
all
like-
the
like,
time.
Oh, really?
Like,
No?
oh, that
Don't
sucks
you
for
get
you.
that?
No, it sucks for you, honey. No, I'm eating good. What you eating like? This is so beautiful, guys. Ooh, that was a workout, my arms tight. Oh, so pretty, babe.
Right? It's all mixed.
I'm gonna go over here and crush my peanuts because I like them to be a little crushed. So if you are allergic to peanuts, do not put this in the recipe. We've been cooking all day, child. I got Burley cooking. I got Burley cooking. Are you ready to taste this, Fee?
Yes, I am.
Cheers. Ready?
Another one.
Girl.
We the best.
What am I doing today?
This is so dumb.
It's like a pasta salad.
But I literally feel like I'm eating pasta. I don't feel like I'm eating salad. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Guys, it's creamy, it's spicy, it's crunchy, it's soft.
Nutritious.
And right after that hot kick, when you eat the avocado, woo, like my entire tongue is like
Happy.
having a party.
Oh, and I love the peanuts with it. How's that pad thai flavor?
I am so ready for RAWgust. Girl,
Another one.
she's changing lives, for real.
Portia's Apron 30-day RAWgust challenge.
You gotta make it happen. Share this with a loved one or a friend. Again, this is not about like converting you or changing it. Like this is just a challenge. 30-day challenge. You can make it a 14-day challenge. You can make it a 10-day challenge, 7-day challenge, 3-day challenge. Doesn't matter. But just give it a try. This will challenge your cooking in the most amazing way. This is so accessible. Like anyone can do it.
And think of it as a cleanse. And see
It's a
how
reset.
well your body reacts to you.
That's right. And you gotta give your body time. So many things I love about this, the way it tastes, the way it feels in your tummy, like you just feel good.
Right.
I have energy. And what I love about it is that they're quick too. I don't have patience. I like cooking, but I don't have the patience. I'm just so grateful that you gave us like recipes that it's easy to make, fast. Your body's gonna be so happy. You're getting whole foods. Like they're raw, they're straight from like,
So there we have it, baby.
you are amazing. Cheers.
Cheers. Your raw pad thai pasta for RAWgust.
I'm gonna go get my husband some.
Just feed us and call us pretty baby.